What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to print an image from Google Drive directly on your iPhone. Now you could do this directly from the Google Drive app, so I will open that up and go to the image that I want to print. And from here, you're going to select the little three dots that are in the upper right hand corner here. You may have to tap the image a couple times to get them to come up. Once you select these three dots though, it'll take you to this menu here where you will scroll down, and you're going to be scrolling all the way down to the bottom here to the second from the bottom option, simply called print. It'll take a little bit to load up here. You will have to select a printer that is at the top there. I don't have any printers that are in my house that are in range or connected to my AirDrop printer, so it's not in range. But if you do have one that's wirelessly connected, you could simply select it there and then select how many copies you want, what kind of layout, and then just select the print option in the upper right hand corner. But because I don't have a printer in range, I'm not able to. But it is really that simple to print something directly from Google Drive if you want to do so. This works for all sorts of images, files, documents, whatever you want to print from Google Drive. It works with that. If you did find this helpful today, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you.